Hello again, this is One Cook Greek, bringing to your kitchen tasty recipes with fun and style. Crush the bell button as soon as it pops and follow the page on social media. Feel free to share the videos with your friends too. So it's the 1, 2, 3, 4 rule for today, and trust me, this is one of the sweetest rules that ever existed. This time I'll make halva for you. What's halva? Let's play ball! Halva is a traditional fasting sweet food that people in Greece eat mostly on the Great Lent period. Its roots are very old. It comes back from the Byzantine Empire era and the Eastern Mediterranean territory. You can find many versions around, but I will make a Constantinople recipe that has been passed from generation to generation until it reached me through my beloved auntie. I have all the ingredients waiting over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enjoy the process. 1 glass with corn oil. Olive oil would be very strong to use in this recipe. 2 glasses with coarse semolina. 3 glasses with sugar. And 4 glasses with water. Half of a glass with fresh milk. Okay, no milk if you fast. 2 spoons with conifer or flourless honey. 100 grams of nuts and 100 grams of almonds. 20 to 30 raisins. 1 small stick of cinnamon, 6 pieces of clove. 1 teaspoon with cinnamon powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon with clove powder. You can use orange zest for a fruitier flavor, but I will leave it out on this recipe. So let's begin with the process. Smash the nuts and the almonds into smaller pieces. Put a pot onto the hot plate and go for the max temperature. Pour in the corn oil and wait for a couple of minutes until it's hot. Now throw in the cinnamon stick and the clove pieces. Add the semolina, the nuts and the almonds. Decrease the heat by 20% and stir non-stop. It will take approximately 10 minutes until you get this golden brown color. Fish the stick and the clove out of the mix. Now remove the pot from the fire for a while. Pour in the sugar, the water and the fresh milk. Mix for a minute away from the hot plate. That's the way you prevent the sugar to turn into caramel. Now you can take the pot back to the hot plate. We never stop stirring. Add the raisins and the honey into the mix. pour in the cinnamon and the clove powder. Continue until all the liquid has evaporated. You will see bubbles, and you will be able to separate the thick content like the Red Sea with a wooden spoon. At this point you must be very careful, it's very easy to burn the bottom of the pot. Remove the pot from the fire and you're almost ready. Use a kitchen towel to cover for 20 minutes. Grab a cake tin and stuff it. Press on the top as you fill the form in and you will get a nice tight shape as a result. Now you must wait for another 30 minutes until it cools a bit. Big time, people! Cross your fingers and overturn. Hopefully we've made it. Pour cinnamon on top and use nuts for decoration. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 and cook this sweet traditional halva to surprise your friends and family. Easy to make, hard to forget.